Hello friends, welcome to Support Girl. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is VPN, how does VPN works, and how VPN secure your traffic. So let's discuss. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. Protects your connection while you are using the internet. It makes your browsing private, hides your IP, internet protocol address, and ensures your internet service provider doesn't track you. In a nutshell, a VPN helps you to stay secure when using public Wi-Fi hotspots. VPN mask your IP address. VPN encrypts your internet traffic, making your browsing more secure and private. VPNs allows you to access more internet content and bypass restrictions such as government censorship. VPN ensures that your internet traffic is not tracked and recorded, later to be sold by your internet service provider, ad brokers, or snoops. Now, how does VPN works? A VPN like Surfshark works by routing your device internet connection through your chosen VPN private server rather than your internet service provider. By doing so, a VPN changes your visual IP address. VPN makes it appears as if you are browsing from VPN servers locations instead of your device. That's why you can appear virtually anywhere in the world using a VPN. This feature greatly improves your privacy and is one of the two primary reasons that makes a VPN so useful. The other one is security. Let's talk about it. How a virtual private network secures your traffic. The blind post office analogy. Imagine a post office that does not know your first or last names or address. The post persons inside this office receives and sends letters containing only those pieces of information about you. Your customer's ID. The post office generated this ID especially for you and it keeps it confidential. When you receive a letter, the post persons identifies you using this ID and forwards the mail directly to you. All this happens through a super secret file that connects your house and the office. In the same way, you can ask these couriers to send a letter to anyone in the world. The courier will take your letter, attach your customer ID to it, slap the post office address on it, and ship it. As far as the receiver is concerned, the letter came from the post office and not from you unless you signed it. To protect the contents of the mail and your ID, these letters are translated into a language only you and the post persons can understand. So even if anyone got hold of your mail, they could not read it. Technical example. User device, VPN clients, service providers, VPN servers, and internet. When you connect to internet via VPN, it establishes a secure virtual tunnel, a secure connection between itself and one of its servers. This tunnel is then used to transfer all of your internet traffic originating from your app and the website. But the VPN connection goes a step further. To ensure the tunneling process is secure, the VPN client and the VPN server encrypt your data using a shared key. The VPN client and the VPN server do this every time data travels through the encrypted tunnel. This way, no one can snoop on your traffic. When data passes through, it's rearranged again, that is, decrypted into readable text. This way, VPN ensures your IP address, locations, and online identity remains hidden from your internet service provider and third party websites. Now, what is VPN server? So, I have mentioned VPN server several times now, but what are they? Are they any different than regular servers? Well, not really. A VPN server is just a standard server configured with VPN software. This ensures that only people with VPN client software can connect to it. If you try to connect to a VPN server, it will ask you for authentication that you have a VPN client. Once you are in, all your traffic goes through this server. To anyone watching from outside, they can only see a mess of random internet data going in and out of the server. Hence, your whereabouts remains unknown. So, what can VPN do for you? Still formatting, great. We have covered a basic of how VPN works. Now let's take a look at what all technical mumbo jumbo means for you. A VPN protects you on public Wi-Fi. Free public Wi-Fi may be handy if you are on the go. Sadly, it's really unsafe and makes you vulnerable even to basic cyber attacks. A VPN encrypts your online data and helps secure your personal information when you use Wi-Fi in airport, coffee shops, or other public places. It is useful for hiding your web activity when you want to access sensitive information in public like online banking, emails, or crypto assets. VPN masks browsing and torrent history. Masking your IP address is essential to secure online privacy. A virtual private network ensures that your location, browsing habits, and torrenting history are not directly linked to your identity. This way, you can surf with peace of mind without any third party trying to steer your choices. A VPN unlock, blocked, and censor websites. Access to various websites is restricted in many countries due to geo-blocking and censorship. You can unblock sites by connecting to a VPN server based in a different country. This allows you to bypass internet censorship and various geo restrictions for content, social media, whistleblowing, or even research purpose. A VPN helps stream Netflix privately. With a VPN, you can remain safe when browsing Netflix and using other streaming like Hulu, Disney Plus, HBO Max. Our ultra fast servers and unlimited bandwidth will ensure a throttle and buffer free experience. This way, you can always stay private when streaming your favorite show and movies. VPN helps you avoid price discrimination. Websites and services use your locations and cookies to tailor price for their goods and services. With a virtual private network, you can avoid such marketing practices and save a buck when shopping online or buying airplane tickets. So friends, this is all about VPNs. I'll come with the V- I'll come with the new video with VPNs, how we can change our locations and IP address and browse any site anonymously and securely. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.